Hey guys, in this video I want to build a really simple website that makes money with one service. Let me explain. There are a lot of websites like checking your your ping, or other websites. For example, I have here speed tests. What is my internet speed? Upload, download test, jitter test, packet loss test. IP checker, password generators, QR code generators, um, user interface generator, lorem ipsum generators, image compressors, yeah, uh, different ideas. But a lot of these people, I don't know, like this ping test website, they probably make some money from this because you see here advertisement, and then you have your service. You do whatever you want to do, and then you have your results, and you sometimes maybe you click on the advertisement, you get led to this page, whatever, blah blah, and then yeah, the person gets paid. Okay, so we want to keep building very simple websites to generate a passive income from that, because those websites are pretty easy in maintenance. You need a Google Ads service. First, you need to program it, but this is really not so hard with AI. And then you need a Google Ads konto. You need to deploy your website so it's accessible from other computers. And then once you're done, you need to make a Google Ads konto account. And when you have your Google Ads account, you can just upload this, and Google will verify your Google Ads, your website, and within a few days, there will be ads on your website. And in the years, somebody will click on your website, and you will generate money. What my idea is now, I want to also make these services, but in other languages, like for example in French, because I think there are not so many uh, websites in French that test your website. And yeah, we will start doing this. So the first step is I open Visual Studio Code. Okay, I already had a project like this, but let's say we open a folder, and I want to make what's a good yeah, what is my internet speed? I think this is a good idea. Let's make a new folder and call it what is my internet speed? Okay, wait. Then we select this folder. Okay. Yes, I trust the authors. Then we make a new file, index.html, and create it. Then I use what you see is what you get drag and drop editor made by Yogi Bear. 9988. So check out his GitHub repository if you like the program I'm using. So you have here different HTML elements, and you can just do this. Okay, but about this website, I want to do this in Polish or in French, because I think this might help in not having so much competitors, because some older people, they will just type in their question into Google in their mother language, in Polish or in French, for example, and then they will just go on the website that says it in their language. Otherwise, they will not understand it. Okay, we just do caption. Can we put in a caption here? No. Okay, then let's do a label. Label. Let's say we have another label. And then let's say we have image here. Okay. So the first one is okay. What is how is my internet speed in French? Quelle est la vitesse de ma connexion d'internet? Quelle est ma vitesse internet? Ja, ma vitesse internet, très bien. Okay, ma vitesse internet. And votre vitesse. And here I would say ID. Wait, ID. La. What is base for advertisement plan? Espace publicitaire. Okay, now we have here. Okay, then we give this to our AI as a prompt. Can you make this a modern looking, hold on. Okay, sorry about the interruption. Can you make this a modern looking static French web page, comma, that shows the user their internet speed. Let's run you through absolute position layout into clean, modern, aesthetic French web page. Actually feels like a real tool. Okay, so let's see what he gave us. start debugging. Erreur. Tester la vitesse. Erreur, 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 erreur. Ma vitesse internet, erreur. Okay. Okay. Looks good. I now need the back end functionality of functionality of .js file. Can you help me build one? Okay, server.js. Then okay, we need to restructure it a little bit. But you know, this process, it's very simple. Pretty much the same every time. New file, server.js, and paste this into it. We need to make a new folder public. And I think we need to rename it index and cut this into this one, and then we make a terminal. New item package.json. Okay, we made a new package JSON file and copy this into that. Then you hit npm install. Okay, looks good. And then we hit npm start, update your front end to user backend speed. Wait. Serveur lance sur HTTP localhost. Ma vitesse internet. Erreur! Wow! Merde! Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay, but he also said to replace the speed test. Okay, from the index HTML though, test speed. And test speed. Now we need to delete this. Okay, then we hit npm start again. There's nothing happening now. Hey, wait. With this HTML index, nothing happens when I press the button. Have the speed function. Let's see. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Fully fixed. Index.html. Important. This will only work if the backend server.js includes. The button works now without adding any server.js. Ah, wait, okay, yeah, I took it down. No. No wonder it's not working. Okay. This looks good. Then now we want to deploy this. So everybody has access to this web page, but I will do this in the next video. Now you kind of have the idea. Just ask AI for like one service web pages that receive a lot of traffic. Just use this concept and you will be good to go. So this is really not a huge philosophy. You don't have to be a genius. Just do this a few times, I think, and in a few months or years, you will have a good income with this. Making money on the internet is really hard. I am struggling also, but I think this is also a good way to do this because other people they make a lot of money with that, so you can also get a piece of the cake maybe.